Today, we have something special for you. We're unboxing and taking an in-depth look at the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion, a smartphone that's being touted as the best option under $25,000. With impressive specs, sleek design, and a promise of great performance, this device is creating quite a buzz. So, let's dive right in and see what makes the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion stand out in a competitive market. Unboxing the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion. What's in the box? When you open the box of the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion, you'll find the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion handset, a Type-C to Type-C charging cable, a 6.8W fast charger, a SIM ejector tool, a protective case, quick start guides and warranty information. The first impression is quite promising. The phone comes with all the essentials neatly packed, and the inclusion of a fast charger is a great bonus at this price point. Design and build quality. Sleek and lightweight. The Motorola Edge 50 Fusion boasts a sleek and lightweight design. It measures just 7.9 mm in thickness and weighs 175 grams, making it one of the lighter smartphones in this segment. The phone's back is made of PMMA material, also known as acrylic glass, which gives it a premium feel without the weight. Curved back and almost flat sides. The back of the phone has a slight curve, which adds to the ergonomic feel when you hold it. The sides are almost flat, providing a good grip and a modern look. This combination of curved and flat elements strikes a balance between aesthetics and functionality. Color options. The Motorola Edge 50 Fusion comes in several attractive colors, including a velvet feel maroon and a cute teal. Both colors offer a unique look and feel, catering to different tastes. The maroon variant has a velvety texture, which adds to the premium feel, while the teal color is more subtle and elegant. Display and buttons. Curved front screen. The phone features a curved front screen, enhancing the immersive experience whether you're watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web. However, the curvature is subtle enough to prevent accidental touches, which is a common issue with more aggressively curved screens. Button placement. On the right side of the device, you'll find the power button and volume rocker. The buttons are well placed and provide a good tactile response. However, the volume buttons might require a bit more pressure, which could leave a slight mark on your finger if used extensively. Ports and microphones. The Motorola Edge 50 Fusion includes multiple microphone holes for better audio capture. It has a USB Type-C port at the bottom, a speaker grill, and a SIM tray that supports dual SIMs but no microSD card expansion. This limitation might be a downside for some users who rely heavily on expandable storage. Camera setup. Dual camera system. The phone sports a dual camera setup on the back, which might seem modest compared to other phones that boast 3 or 4 cameras. However, the quality of these two cameras is impressive enough to make up for the number. Camera bump. One noticeable feature is the camera bump. It's prominent, which might be a concern if you're prone to dropping your phone or placing it on uneven surfaces. Despite this, the bump doesn't detract from the phone's overall aesthetics. Camera performance. In terms of performance, the camera delivers sharp and vibrant photos in various lighting conditions. It includes features like HDR, portrait mode, and night mode, making it versatile for different photography needs. Battery and charging. Long-lasting battery. The Motorola Edge 50 Fusion is equipped with a robust 5000 mAh battery. This large battery capacity ensures that the phone can easily last a full day of heavy usage, which includes gaming, streaming, and multitasking. 6.8W fast charging. One of the standout features is the 6.8W fast charging capability. With this charger, you can quickly power up your phone, minimizing downtime. The phone can reach a significant charge level in just a short period, making it convenient for users who are always on the go. IP68 certification. The phone also comes with an IP68 certification, which means it is dust and water resistant. You can take it for a swim in the pool or get caught in the rain without worrying about damage. This feature adds a layer of durability and reliability to the device. Performance and features. Solid performance. Despite its budget-friendly price, the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion doesn't compromise on performance. It is powered by a capable processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and gaming experiences. Apps load quickly, and switching between them is seamless. Impressive speakers. The phone features impressive speakers that provide sound from both the top and bottom. This creates a stereo effect, enhancing the multimedia experience. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, the audio quality is clear and loud. Enhanced multimedia experience. The combination of a high-quality display and robust audio makes the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion a great device for media consumption. The screen's curvature adds to the immersive experience, while the speakers ensure that you don't miss any details in the sound. Value for money. In conclusion, the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion offers excellent value for money. It combines a sleek design, robust performance, and impressive features, making it a strong contender in the sub-$25,000 category. Whether you're a heavy user or someone looking for a reliable daily driver, this phone is worth considering. Final thoughts. So, that's our detailed look at the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion. We hope this review helps you make an informed decision if you're in the market for a new smartphone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.